Upon arrival, the hotel greets you with a minimalist yet welcoming atmosphere. The lobby is an ode to Scandinavian design. Clean lines, natural light, and cleverly designed spaces that feels both spacious and intimate. The furniture, of course, is all from IKEA, showcasing the brands CAC for creating a stylish yet practical environment. As you check in, you'll notice the efficient and friendly staff eager to make your stay as pleasant as possible. The hotel's common areas are equally impressive. The communal lounge is a cozy space where guests can relax, read, or mingle with other travelers. It's furnished with IKEA's latest designs, giving you a first-hand look at how their pieces can create a warm and inviting atmosphere. There's also a small library stocked with books on designs, Swedish culture, and travel, providing an excellent resource for curious minds. One of the standout features of the IKEA hotel is its emphasis on sustainability. Throughout the hotel, you'll find eco-friendly practices in places from energy-efficient lighting to recycling stations. The hotel's commitment to sustainability is not just about reducing its environmental footprint, but also inspiring guests to adopt more eco-conscious habits. Stepping into your room, you're met with a sense of calm and simplicity. Each room is thoughtfully designed to maximize space without compromising comfort. The furniture is multifunctional beds with built-in storage desk that doubles as fantasy units, and modular sofas that can be rearranged to suit your needs. The decor is typical IKEA, light, cheerful, and designed to make you feel at home. You'll find touches of Swedish culture like hand-woven textiles and art that celebrates the natural beauty of Sweden. Beyond the aesthetics, the room is equipped with practical amenities for a comfortable stay. The beds, renowned for their comfort, promised a restful sleep, while the workspace is perfect for business travelers. Bathrooms are modern and efficient with eco-friendly toiletries that align with IKEA's commitment to sustainability. The second floor, and on the second and third they have the same, which this is the living room. This is shared by everyone here in the hotel, and you get to eat here, eat and do anything much, and you can just relax in that room. Because in here, if you follow me,
It's okay.
we have the kitchen and feeding table disappear in the tent.
Kitchen area. So that basically they have a common kitchen and common dining and common living area, which is kind of like, it looks like a house rather than a hotel. It has microwave. It has fridge.
Hi.
There is a refrigerator here, and basically these are for the guests of the hotel. They also have freezer. Here are some of the microwave. So it's really like a functional kitchen, dining area, and living room.
Dining at IKEA Hotel is delightful. The hotel restaurant serves a variety of dishes that emphasize local ingredients and traditional Swedish recipes. A selection of hot dishes to start your day right. Lunch and dinner menus feature heartily comforting meals, including the famous Swedish meatballs, accompanied by lingonberry sauce and creamy mashed potatoes. That sounds nice. The restaurant's design naturally is a showcase of IKEA's dining furniture and tableware, making each meal a celebration of the brand's design philosophy. As you wrap up your stay, you'll realize that the IKEA Hotel offers more than just a place to sleep. It's an immersive experience that embodies the principles of good design, practically and sustainability. Where you're a diehard IKEA fan like me, or simply someone who appreciates smart design and comfort. Your time at the IKEA Hotel will leave you inspired and perhaps even more appreciative of the brand that has revolutionized the way we live. We traveled through a space that perfectly blends functionality with style, echoing the very essences of IKEA. So whenever you're planning a trip to Sweden or dreaming about it, the IKEA hotel promises a memorable stay that's both uniquely Swedish and unmistakably IKEA. Next stop, the IKEA Museum.